Hello traders, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about my backtesting and how I use this backtesting app to backtest my currency pairs. So the first thing that you're going to do is open up your browser, any browser of your choice. I'm going to go to the search bar and type JFOREX. Click enter. Then you're going to see this page. Click on the first link. This page is going to be displayed. So this is the JFOREX platform page, and we have a lot of information about this JFOREX app here. So as you can see, we have the desktop version of the JFOREX, the mobile or tablet, and the web. There's also some other information down here about some automated trading, charting and analysis, economic events, just a lot of information. You can go through this to know more about the JFOREX app. We're gonna go to the top right corner of our page and click the login. Okay, so once you click the login, it's gonna display this page here. You can see we have the JFOREX desktop, the mobile version, the web version, and it also has a MetaTrader 5 and MT4. Okay, we also have binary for those who trade binary. Our interest here is the desktop. I'm going to download the desktop version for today, and I'm going to also show you how to download the mobile version and also the web version. So let's start with the desktop version. We're going to click that link there. As you can see, my download has already started. It's only 66 MB. So let's wait for like 1 second. Yeah, and it is done. After the download has finished, we're going to double click. You can see this page here, it is installing. The JFOREX platform is preparing the wizard which will guide you through the rest of the. Now we are going to be guided on how to install this platform. Okay, so let's give it a little bit of time as it installs. Okay, so we're going to choose the language that we're going to use. You can click this drop down menu. You can choose any language that you're going to use. You're going to use the English. Okay. Now, welcome to the JFOREX platform wizard. This will install the JFOREX platform on your computer. Okay, so a previous installation has been detected in my computer. So what I'm going to do is update the existing installation. I'm going to click next, and it's going to bring me to this page here. It is going to give me a checkbox of whether to create a desktop icon and create a quick launch icon. So if you want a desktop icon, you can click yes, or if you don't want, you can just uncheck that box. Okay, so I'm gonna click next. As you can see, it is installing, extracting some files, and let's give it a minute. Okay, so the JFOREX platform has been updated in my computer. In your case, if it's the first time you're downloading the platform, it's gonna install for the first time, and later you can update it if you want. So let's click finish. And let's wait for the JFOREX platform to open. So remember, this is the desktop version. So it's gonna open this page where we need to put our login credentials for the live account or the demo account. Always check for if it's in the live page or in the demo page. We don't have our login credentials yet. Now we have to click create demo here in order for our login credentials to be sent in our email. So after clicking create demo, it's gonna bring you to this page in your specific web browser. We need to fill in some credentials here in order to get our demo account. So we have the first name. I'm gonna write my first name. I'm gonna write my last name. The email. You need to input the email which the login credentials will be sent to. So input an email which it is working so that the login credentials can be sent to you. The phone number is not that important because it's not gonna be used in anywhere. Now in these checkboxes down here, you're gonna choose which account you want. You can use the trading account, the MT5 account, the MT4, the binary, the PAM. I don't know about the PAM. For us, we're gonna choose the trading account because this is the specific one which is going to be used in the JFOREX app. This is the MT4 account which is gonna be used in the MT4 platform, the MT5 platform. I don't trade binary, so I don't know about the binary account, but we're going to choose the trading account and click on proceed. Okay, so there's information here. Thank you for registering the demo account. You have sent the login details and links to our platforms to your email address. Okay, so the email address that you input previously, it needs to be working so that the details can be sent to you. Okay, so guys, I'm in my email, and you can see that the Lucas Copy Bank, which uses the JFOREX platform, has already sent me my login details. it is saying that the demo trading account is ready. And as you can see down here, I have the login and the password. So these are the only details that we need to log in into our demo account or our live account. In this case, the demo account. So you're gonna copy this, the login, and go back to your JFOREX app and input and paste that login detail, and you're gonna copy the password. Copy the password, go back to the JForex app and paste that password. Okay, so we're gonna click the login, and voila, there is our demo account. As you can see, it is saying connected. We're gonna close this in order to get a wider view of the chart. Okay, so this is our chart. This is the Euro USD chart in the 1 hour time frame. Now I'm gonna show you how to backtest using this platform. Okay, the first thing that I'm gonna show you is where we can find where we can choose our currencies from. So on the top left, you can see the Euro USD here. You're gonna click that drop down menu, and you can see that we have currencies, we have precious metals, commodities, indices, bonds, stocks, etc. Okay, so we're gonna go to the currencies page and see which currencies we have, and as you can see, they have been grouped alphabetically, and in the Audi we have the Audi card and all those currencies. Let's go to the euro. You can see the euro, AED, euro, AUD card, CHF, and all of them. You have all currencies here, which you can choose from and trade from. The next thing you can see here, we have the time frames. You can choose any time frame you want. Whatever has not been shown here, you can go to the add more down here. You can add any time frame that you want. So you can see we have the 1 hour here. We can put it in or remove it. We have the 1 minute. We have any time frame that you are interested in. The next one, you have the candles here, and here you can choose how you want your chart to be displayed in area format. That is the area format. In line format, that is the line format. In bars format, these are just some bars, and in Heikki Nashi format, and whatever you want, you can choose from here. These are just some objects which you can play with around and know how to use them. Now let's discuss on how to backtest using this. Perfect. You're gonna go to the top left, and in this more button here, you're gonna click that drop down menu, and here you can see that there's the replay widget. Okay, so you're gonna check this box, and replay is possible if the chart is in local mode. The board is going to be switched now. You're gonna press OK, and as you can see here, we are in replay mode. Now, the good thing about this replay widget is that you can choose from anywhere you want. Okay, and it is very free of charge. Nobody is going to charge you anything. Everything is free, and you can choose from whatever date you want. We're gonna go to the 1 day time frame, and let me show you. For example, we're gonna go to the year of 2019. Okay, so this is the replay widget here, and this is everything you need to backtest the account, to move it forward, to move it backwards, to skip, and etc. Okay, so this is the backtesting arrow. Okay, so we're gonna set the start time. So the start time, you can set it from the chart here. Like, you can just click it and it's gonna take you to where you want it to go, or you can also use this calendar here. You can move it to September, July, May. Let's say May the 1st, and it's gonna take us to May the 1st, as you can see down here. Okay, so this is the play button. When you click the play button, the candles are gonna display on their own pace, and you can increase this pace using this button here. You can increase it to, let's say, 5 times, and it's gonna go faster. You can increase it to 10 times, and it's gonna go much faster. Okay, so that's all about the arrows in the replay widget. And if you want to take it to the current time, you're gonna click this button here, jump to current, and as you can see, it has brought us to the 9th of December, the day that I'm recording this video. Okay, now let's take it back to, let's say, the 1st of December 2019. So that's all about the replay widget. Okay, and remember, the best part is that you can use it from anywhere you want, any day, any week, any time you want. Let's go, like, for example, to 2006 here. you can see, it's gonna play. And even if you move to the lower time frames, you're gonna see that it's gonna continue playing from where you want it to start from. You can see it is the November 2006, and if you play it forward, you can see that the candles are moving. Okay, so this is the best part about this trading app. It is very, nobody is going to ask you for money, nobody is going to ask you for anything. We also have here some drawing objects, like for example, we have the pencil, we have the trend line. You're gonna just put it in your favorites tab, and the favorites tab is here. We can rectangle, you can put the rectangle in the favorites tab, the triangle, not necessarily the triangle, the eclipse, this is just the circle, text, the risk and reward, for favorite, that is your favorite drawing tab. Okay, we can find the Fibonacci here. This is the Fibonacci retracement, and make it and put it in your favorite tab just to make it easier for you to reach these drawings. Okay, we have the undo button here, the redo button here. Guys, this platform is very easy to use. It is very easy to navigate. It is very free to use. Nobody is going to pay you to ask you for anything, and it is just the same as any other trading platform. You can also change the theme of this platform, either the dark theme if you're interested, or the light theme. Now, I'm not gonna go into details about this platform, but mine was just to show you this platform, and show you that there's a very free platform to use when backtesting your currency pairs. It's not a must to use the TradingView app, the Go Charting app, which can display data at a specific, not all the time. The TradingView is not free; it is a paid platform. But the good thing about this thing is it is very free, and it's the same as any other platform you can get out there. So guys, thank you for taking your time to watch this video from start to end, and may God bless you. Let's meet another time.